Hey guys, welcome back to CyberGeek. In today's video, we are going to continue with our virus series episode 4. Now you can see on my screen there are certain updates are going on for my Windows VMware. Recently, I have created 3 more VMwares over here. You can see I'm in the Windows versions over there, 3 of them, so that we can use them for our virus series. Okay, so basically I'll be doing all the trials and error or any kind of script which is gonna cause harm. I'll be doing on these 3 Windows 10 over there, which is W2, W3 and W4. So if you guys are new to my channel and you do not know what I am talking about and what is going on over here, please go to CyberGeek and access the playlist called virus series, so that you guys can have a better understanding that what I am teaching and how I am processing with this virus series. So please do not watch from the in between. Please go and start it from beginning. They are very short videos and only informative, so that you guys will not get lost while what I am teaching in the upcoming videos. Okay, and please feel free to bookmark this one so that you can easily save them and have access to it. And please feel free to subscribe. It really motivates me and I really appreciate your support. And if you guys like to share this one, share it with your friends, let them also learn something new and something informative over here. So let's just continue with our series. Now you can see its update is going on. Once it is done, we will continue with our virus series episode 4 on Windows 10 today, because we are not going to use Windows 7 because we are moving on with different scripts. So basically we need Windows 10, which has more functionalities. So see you guys once it is done. So now let's just continue with our episode. Now this you see the virus 4 over here. Let's see what is inside. Okay, so today we are seeing at the rate echo of once more a loop which is endless, and today we are starting www.google.com. so let's find out what does it do. Save as virus series episode 4.bat. Always remember we have to save it in .bat extension or else it will not work. So there is it, the file, and it says countless, right? So let's just execute and see what is going to happen. Start. I gave, there's nothing going on. Okay, if you guys can see, okay, this is very good. Actually it is good it didn't execute it. If you guys can see on the screen, it is blinking every time, right? What is it happening? Let me just tell you. It's what is going on is that it is creating endless terminal, and each terminal is requesting www.google.com. so now my this Windows 10 has not set up with which browser I have to use. So if I click on the Chrome, it will start giving me, see that, right? And if I just click on, I cannot even do that. You can see clearly because it is giving me a request all the time, right? So now you can see now you see, right? So now there, I hope so it's not going to give me any request. Okay, what just happened? My background screen got totally white. Okay, you can see this is also getting open now. 1 2 3 4. Let me just close this one, and over here you can see, okay, let me just close the terminal itself or else it is going to create problem. Okay, so now you can see this one. What is it opening? This is Chrome, right? Yeah. So basically what it is doing, if you have already set up Chrome inside your Windows as a browser, it is going to keep on asking you for virus and threat protection. Oh my god, it keeps on asking me. Just go. So basically it is going to restart each and every time. Now yes, we also learned how to execute any kind of application over here endless time. Now we if you have chosen Google Chrome, or if I have chosen as a default Microsoft Edge, the www.google will keep on opening what is that? It is going to open this address over here, which is www.google.com all the time. So previously what we saw is that we saw in the virus 3 over here is that how to create a bunch of random folders over here, and that is also where does it save. It saves over there, right, in a C drive. And I also told what was the use of this percentage over there, and we also saw in the virus series 2 that this is basically where our looping statement starts, right, in infinity loop over here. And we also saw how to start a terminal. So now if you can relate a virus series 2 with virus series 4, it is very good, because there was start, and we start a terminal. Now what if we give over there www.google or for example facebook.com, so it will request for the facebook.com. so what we did, we are making the terminal request to the system to open this particular www.com or Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever it is. I will also show you guys how to create a bombing of those application website. So this is how you can keep on thinking. That's the reason why I started from the very basics, so that we can link each and every episode with each other, and we can keep on learning. So we will also see many of them over here. You can see I have saved them with the names, because if I mistakenly forgot and execute those files by saving it is going to cause me harm, right? So this is it for today's video, and I hope you guys will like it, and many more videos are going to come. And don't worry, it's not always all about creating something like this. We will also discover some fun stuff which you can do with your Windows without causing any harm. Okay, that is also a very simple program. We can easily do it. That also I'll teach you guys how to do that. So see you guys in the next videos. Till then, goodbye.